Hello folks, I'm going to show you how to create backups in easy way with virtualmin. Basically, I'm assuming that you are familiar with this interface. This is what you see when you log into your webmin panel through the port 10,000 or whatever port you set it up. Now all you need to do for backups for all domains, you have to scroll down where it says backup and restore. You click on that, and for simple backup, which we're gonna cover today, is you need to find the scheduled backup. So you click that, and as you can see, I already have set up one, which is daily in the midnight. It's very simple. All virtual servers are backed up to one location, and the command or the setup as I set it up is on the local, so it's backed up on the same hard drive as virtualmin is installed. It's in a home folder. In the home folder there is a backup folder, and backup is numbered by date. So when I click on the backups, I can see the date, like day, month and year when they've been created. Now there is lots of different ways how you can do this. You can set up like by numbers or whatever you want. However, these local backups have one good opportunity. You can rotate them. That means you can set up how many days you want to keep backups, and then after those days virtualmin basically delete those old backups, so you never run out of the space from your hosting. I mean from your virtualmin setup. So if you don't have anything, let's create the new backup for this sake of tutorial. So you click add new backup schedule. Now you will see only selected, all expect. You click on a few of them. You will use CTRL keyboard to select more of them or all. We're gonna back up all servers. So you can also ask if you want to create back it up like subdomains, subservers and all of the rest of it. These backups will cover databases as well, so it's really good. Or you can limit servers, the backups for the plans you selected. There is one good thing on this. If you click on any of these blue things, it will tell you what it is for. If you don't know what you're doing, sometimes it's good to just click and read about it. So this is so we're gonna select all servers, include any plans, include subservers. You don't need to touch this only when you want to select few things, but by default there is all it is all backed up. Destination and format, you can set up destination of the files. Now you have few options. You can back it up to FTP server somewhere outside, same for SSH, Amazon or Rackspace Cloud. We can do local files. Now as you can see on the local files, you should be able to delete backups after a few days. So basically you click here and you can select whenever you want to back it up your files. So if you want to create a new folder, go ahead and just put the test or backslash or backups or whatever you want. Then you hit OK. You will see the link here. How to call it? It will be like where it will be stored in a native way. So for example, backups. Yeah. If you don't have that folder in directory, you can create that folder which will be done for you automatically. Then you select format, backup format. Single archive means everything is in one file, which I don't like that much. One file per server, one file per server. I mean, this one is the good. Or you can go with a single archive for all of them, which you can date it like we said, days and months. This will be the name of the backup file and in the folder backups. Now, as I said, if you don't have this backup folder somewhere on your server or whenever, you can create destination directory. This will tell the virtual min basically to create that folder for you and also create the subfolders for it. Right. Backup level, you can select whatever you want to backup. I suggest you to use full. Some people choose only the changes. So first backup is full and then is incremental. So means if you delete something, it should delete, or if you add something to the site, I mean website, or some changes will be done, it will always make in one backup those changes. It will never delete the backup. Then you have scheduling and reporting. This is good thing, eh? You can set up whatever email address you want. Yeah. So basically, you can select the settings for only send me the email on failure. So if something is wrong with the backups, you will get the emails eventually. And you can select emails to your clients or whoever owns the domain, or if you do hosting for your clients, this is a good feature as well. Action if destination is used, cancel this backup, kill the running backup. I would suggest cancel that. Just schedule at backupable time, so you can select whenever. I selected on mine simple, and you can select daily, midnight, hourly, whatever it's yours, or complex, and then you can select. You will have more options for it. For the start, I would suggest you to go with a simple schedule. It's very easy. You cannot fuck up anything on it. Then you have command line before backup is running and command line after is running, so you can set up any particular commands like send the email or other things, whatever you like, or restart the server, whatever. It's up to you. So we're gonna see how mine looks like for the real one. As you can see, there is a domains, plans, and features. I did not touch it because I didn't need to. The backup, I set it up as I told you. I got backups in home, backups folder, and dated by day. I set up delete all backups, yes, after 3 days. So that's all I need, because I have only few websites and they are all my private, and most of them are using for developing websites and applications. Nothing major for me. But if you're running proper e-shops or anything, you maybe want to change this for 30 days or whatever. It is up to you. Of course, you can set up FTP, or you can back up to FTP external provider if you, or into your another server, or SSH. It's up to you entirely. You can also set up another destination, which can be a remote server or external hard drive, or whatever you like to, but it will keep the local backup as well, which is really good. Yeah, this will tell the server to keep up the date and time, directory in the name, which is pretty straightforward. Transfer each virtual server after it's backed up. I would say keep this, because well, if you will need to restore your server, it will be just easier for you. With the there will be, when we go back, I will show you how you can restore backup with one click, and that's what it is for, I guess. Backup format, as you can see, create directory. Basically, that means each time the virtual min have that option itself to be able to create the folders for your backups. Action on error, hold immediately, which means something is wrong, and I will get eventually emails. Make a level full. So that was it. Very simple. And now you got actions. Back it up now or restore now. And now this is the button. When you press that, it will restore all your backups as it was. It will eventually. Mine one will ask you which backup file I want to restore. But if you have just one backup file, you will just press the restore button and it will be done for you. Right, I guess this is all. There is nothing confusing, nothing hard. You can create as many schedules for backing up whatever you want, and that is entirely up to you. But this is very simple backup. Next time, when I will be able to get some Amazon cloud or whatever Rackspace servers, I will be able to show you how to back it up on those. But for now on, this is it, folks. I am hoping that it helps somebody. All right, have a fun.